welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style. Here on YouTube, I make videos about affordable fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and travel. So if you are interested in those topics, if you love to live your most chic and fabulous life but on a budget, then definitely consider hitting that subscribe button right down below. While you're at it, you might want to hit that little notification bell. That way you just get a little notification every time I upload a new video. Typically it is 2 to 3 times a week. And today I just want to get right into it. I have a really fun, affordable Amazon beauty products roundup for you guys. Some products that I've tried from Amazon that I love, that I've been using for a long time, mixed in with some things that I'm like trying recently that are kind of new to me, but was curious about, that are like cult favorite items on Amazon. So I'm so excited to get into this with you guys. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below. Also, almost all of it is under $30 with the exception of like 1 or 2 things. But everything is going to be super, super affordable. So if you're looking for something new to jazz up your beauty routine, then this video is definitely going to be one you're going to want to stick around with. So grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a glass of wine, and let's just jump right into this video. So the first item in my affordable Amazon beauty finds is this ice roller. And I feel like I've just been seeing this everywhere on TikTok, on social media. I saw it on like Good Morning America the other day. So I decided to give it a try because it's such an affordable find on Amazon. I believe it's under $20. But this is amazing because literally it's just a facial roller, but you keep it in the freezer so this gel part stays frozen so that when you're ready and you need it, it is ready to go. So I mean, there are so many claims out there about ice rollers, and I don't know if all of them are completely factual. I've actually watched like a video that there's this one channel that I love to watch. It's like 2 male dermatologists that kind of like break down skincare myths. I'll link their channel below if you want to check them out later. Videos to be very, very interesting and informative. But they basically said like a lot of the claims about ice rollers are kind of overblown, but what I do think this is great for is when you wake up, you've had a late night, puffy under eyes, puffy skin. This is just so great to help with that puffiness, to help decrease it, because of course icing something kind of helps with the inflammation of something, right? It's the same like if you get a bruise or if you hurt yourself, you ice it. It's kind of the same thing with having like puffy inflamed skin. So I love it for that. Obviously, because it's a roller, it can also do some of the same benefits as a jade roller. So it can help with lymphatic massage while also having that added benefit of this frozen roller to really help reduce that inflamed area on your skin. When I wake up, I like to do my skincare and then use this like afterwards, and I really love, like low-key, this definitely like helps me wake up in the morning sometimes, y'all, because like, you know, like some people splash like cold water on their face or whatever. This is like doing that, but times 10. So much more satisfying. It feels so much better than just like throwing water on your face. It is amazing for that. I also really feel like this could be great if you get migraines, tension headaches, sinus pressure. You could just use this to sort of like roll across your forehead or your temples, wherever you're feeling that pressure, to help sort of alleviate the pain or soothe that headache a little bit. So it has multiple uses, and it's so affordable. It's such a great thing to have around the house. Moving into one of the more expensive items in this list is the PMD Clean Body Scrub Brush. And I recently discovered this. I'm obsessed with it. Seriously, like this has replaced my loofah. I don't use a loofah anymore because I use this. And what's great about it is, like the PMD facial scrubbers, this, come on. It knows it's on camera. That's why it's not turning on. Aha. I'm gonna put it next to my microphone. You can hear it. It's vibrating. So it has different modes. It has like a gentle vibration, an intense vibration, and these are the 2 cleansing modes. And then it also has 2 more settings that are massage modes. So you have like a pulsating massage, and then you have like this much more quick massage. It has a loofah attachment, but it also comes with 2 other attachments. So this is the massaging attachment, and this is a exfoliating attachment. It kind of feels like sandpaper. And then on the back side, you also have these like silicone bristles. So why should you spend $125 on a thing to scrub your body? Okay, let me tell you about this really fast. This has something called a sonic glow technology. It basically breaks down dirt and oil from within your pores, 7,000 vibrations per minute, while also operating at the optimum frequency to help lift, firm, and tone your skin. This loofah that it comes with is actually infused with silver, and that's supposed to help cleanse your skin even more. This aluminum oxide exfoliator helps to smooth skin with the aluminum oxide that buffs away rough, calloused skin, and then This body massager is just amazing. If you have any sort of like aches and pains, if your back is bothering you, it's just so nice to attach this just in the shower, like give yourself a little back massage. You can also use the massager with body oils. You don't have to use it in the shower necessarily. So it's just a great way to like reach those places on your back. Maybe you just like having some aches. This is a great thing to have. So it's very multifunctional, which I really love. And it's so easy to change the heads out. It's magnetic. So you just pop it off and you just easily can pop on whichever attachment that you need. So there's no fumbling in the shower. There's none of that. It's waterproof and it's rechargeable. So it has like this rechargeable port down here, and I absolutely just am obsessed with this. You want to splurge and have like your shower just be upgraded, have a lot more of like a luxurious shower experience. I highly recommend the PMD Clean Body just because it really does take your shower experience to the next level. You obviously can buy like new attachments for this, so when this gets to be like to a point where it's like dirty, you need a new loofah, you can just get a new one. But so much better than just a regular loofah. My next affordable Amazon find is this certified organic castor oil. Now, I have heard of the many benefits of castor oil, but I bought it specifically to use or to try to use it as a sort of serum for helping my eyelashes and my eyebrows grow more luscious. So many people that I have seen on TikTok, on the internet, have been just talking about how this is a great natural way to help your eyelashes and eyebrows grow. I think we all know eyelash and eyebrow serums can get pretty pricey, so I definitely, for the price of this, which was less than $15, I thought it was worth a try. And what's great is it comes with some spoolies and some little brushes to help you apply the castor oil to your lash line and into your brows. Now, I'm such a terrible blogger. I have not even started using this yet, despite the fact that it has been in my possession for months. So I'm going to get to that. Don't let my fake eyelashes fool you. I know they're really intense. I went to a blogger event this morning and I asked her like the medium glam eyelashes and she gave me this. I mean, does this say medium glam to you? My husband told me I looked like Tammy Faye Baker when I walked in the door. It is what it is. I'm rocking them, but I'm hoping that this castor oil after a while can help my lashes to grow somewhat nice and luscious like my fake ones. If you're interested in knowing if this actually works, I encourage you all to follow my Instagram and or my TikTok where I share this type of stuff daily. I'm on my stories all the time sharing stuff. I'm on Instagram and TikTok sharing what I think about different products. So if you're interested in seeing the before and after when I actually get to using this, definitely find me on Instagram. Besides helping you grow your lashes, it's actually a natural treatment for dry, brittle, and damaged hair. Some people I've heard of have used this as like a sort of hair mask that put in the ends of their hair, let it sit for a while, and then wash it out. And it actually acts as like an oil-free moisturizer to help repair your hair if it's damaged. Another claim is that it can be a very beneficial to your skin. I'm just going to read off my notes because apparently it can help your face. It can be a moisturizer that reduces blemishes, acne, pimples, scars, and fine lines without leaving your skin dry. And pure castor oil is a great organic hair oil and helps as an oil-free moisturizer to help your hair and your skin. So honestly, for the price, I'm just going to try it, you know? I mean, it can't hurt to try it. So if you want to see the results of that, definitely find me on my socials. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this video and you like fun Amazon finds, you can find my Amazon shop right here where I share so many fun Amazon finds in all different categories for your shopping pleasure and ease. So go check it out and follow me on Amazon. This next product is an Amazon cult favorite, and it is the Egyptian Magic Cream. Now, if you've never heard about this before, I'm pretty surprised because I feel like I've heard about this from so many people. But this stuff, I mean, the claims on it are crazy. And let me just tell you, this cream can be used for so many different uses. Are you ready for it? Because I'm about to read them all off and you're going to be shocked. So here we go. Here's what you can use the Egyptian Magic for. An all-natural moisturizer, healing burns, treating cuts and scrapes, fading scars. You can use it to treat eczema and psoriasis. Some people in the reviews on Amazon said that it helped cure their eczema. I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to make any claims about that, but I'm just saying what I read elsewhere. As lip balm, as aftershave. And I'm reading off the list. Vaginal moisturizer. I don't know about that one. Hand and cuticle cream. Makeup remover, eye cream, massage balm, and diaper rashes for those of you who have babies. So again, don't know about that one. During and after pregnancy for use on your stretch marks, hydrating face mask, tattoo aftercare, after sun lotion, and you can use it on cracked heels and elbows because we all know those are the places where your skin just needs a lot of extra love, right? So I I mean, to be honest, I haven't used this a whole ton. I've used it a bit as a hand cream. I've used it to break down my makeup before, which it definitely worked for that. Just putting it on the back of my hands right now, it just feels so moisturizing on my skin. I feel like my skin is really, really dry. I'm definitely going to be using this more, again, sharing my thoughts on my social media as I've had it for longer, but that many people took the time to write a review and it's almost a 5-star across the board for that many reviews. You know something is right about this. So definitely worth trying because, again, it's very, very affordable. And if you have any of those issues that I just listed, why not give it a try and see if it works? I mean, what's the harm? I will say if you use this on your face, a little bit goes a long way, and make sure that you don't just put it directly on your face because it can feel very, very thick and oily if you do that. The best thing to do for using it on the face is to take out a little bit, put it on the back of your hand and sort of warm it up with your fingertip. That kind of helps to thin it out and get the viscosity a little bit better, and then apply it to your face. That way, because otherwise, I mean, this stuff it's potent. So just a little bit, warm it up with your finger, and then apply it to your face. Now, if you have really dry hands, cracked elbows, heels, go all in on that baby. Okay, so this next product I had to try because I feel like this is like a viral internet beauty product, but it is the Revlon Oil Absorbing Volcanic Face Roller. So this has also like a ton of reviews and like such a high rating. So of course I had to try it out. So basically you have this little roller head right here on the top, and it is made of real volcanic stone, which soaks up excess oil instantly. So apparently can give you instantly fresh, mattified, non-shiny skin. Now, I will say I don't really get super oily. I have pretty much combination skin, but I do get kind of shiny throughout the day, and especially lately because I've been filming a movie, you don't want your skin to look shiny on camera. So this is a great thing to have in your purse. You just roll it where you need it. For me, that's usually like my T-zone area, and it just gives your skin that mattified look and helps to absorb all that excess oil. The great thing about this is it's way better than carrying around blotting papers, because blotting papers are, number one, wasteful, and number two, you have to keep buying them. With this, it's just a one-time purchase, and you can clean it after you've used it so that you can keep reusing it and reusing it. So this is so much more effective and also sustainable than blotting papers, and just a lot more fun to use too. It's definitely one of those things that is going to go in my purse and be like one of my like everyday things that I keep with me on the go, just because of how easy and just how nice and compact it is. It's so easy to take with you anywhere you go. Next up is this Dr. G Brightening Peeling Gel. I have been a fan of this for a really, really long time. This is one of those like random K-beauty cult favorite products. And the reason why I love this is because it is such a good facial exfoliator. I feel like it's really hard to find a good facial exfoliator that's not too abrasive on your skin. One thing that I have learned from my esthetician friend, Wendy Jones, shout out to Wendy, is that you really want to be careful when you exfoliate your face, because you don't want to go too hard on your facial skin because it is very, very delicate. So a lot of facial scrubs that are out there are just too rough. And I have found that this is so gentle, but yet so effective. Literally, you just take a little bit out and then rub it into your face. And it's something about the formulation. It's not that it has like a bunch of little granule, like sandy particles in it, like a lot of facial exfoliators do. Something about it just like literally takes that dead skin off your face. Like when I use it, maybe this is kind of disgusting, but I see like little beads of like dead skin just like coming off. It is truly incredible. If you've never tried this, you have to try it, and it's so affordable. So I love to use this like a couple times a week. It's such a good gentle exfoliator, and it really does make my face look so glowy after I use it. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're still around, thank you so much for watching this part 1 of my Amazon beauty favorites. Make sure to subscribe for part 2. This video got very, very long, so I have to break it up because I don't want to lose you people. I know people's attention spans can be very, very short. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button right down there. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And before you go, check out a couple more videos I've picked just for you. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!